Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more knowledgeable interesting video. Today in this video, I'll going to share with all of you a very important detail about filing of updated return in those cases where there is a possibility of receiving notice from the income tax department with respect to political party donations. Yes, so today in this video I'll going to share with you the comparison that how much of the amount you have to pay if demand will created on you, and how much of the taxes along with the interest you have to pay if you'll opt for filing updated return. And if in case you opted for filing updated return, then section 148 and notice relating to political party donation would not be issued to you. So let's start the discussion. Right. As on 31st March, majority of the notice that issued by the department pertains to AY 1920. Right. For this, the time limit for filing updated return has expired. You cannot file updated return for this assessment year. Assessment year 2021. Also, time limit is expired for filing of updated return. For assessment year 21-22, you can validly file your updated return, and for assessment year 22-23, you can still file your updated return. Means these two assessment year options is still available for filing of updated returns in case if you made political party donations and you suspect that 148 notice may come or may issued on you in near future. And for these 2 years, you cannot file updated return. No option available for filing of updated return in these two cases. Right. Now, let's compare. In case if you will not opt for ITR-U filing. If you will not opt for updated return filing, then how much of the amount you have to pay in case demand will be created on you. In this example, we will take that political party donation amount is of 2 lakh rupees. Right, this is the donation that you made to the political party. Right, in this case, you have to pay tax at the rate of 30%. Let's imagine that you are in the highest tax bracket. So you have to pay tax of 60,000, interest under section 234B and 234C, that is approximately of 60,000, and penalty for misreporting, that is 200% of tax evaded, that is 1,20,000. So approximately you have to pay 2,40,000 rupees in case you have not opted to file updated return and demand will be created on you. Right. And this is approximate amount as I have not added 4% of health and education cess in this case. Now next is that if you opted to file ITR-U and the case pertains to AY 21-22. The case pertains to AY 21-22. So the tax amount is same, that is 60,000. You have to pay this, right? And additional tax you have to pay for filing of updated return, and it will going to be 50% of the normal tax, right? Because you are filing it within the period of 12 months to 24 months. So this tax would be approximately 30,000, and in this case interest under section 234B and C would be approximately 65,000, because you have to pay interest on these two taxes, right? So here your total outgo would come 1,55,000 approximately, right? Now let's come to the next case, right? If you opted to file ITR-U, right, and the case pertains to AY 22-23, this would going to be the most beneficial proposition, because here additional tax rate is not 50% but it is 25%, right? So it would be better for you to file it as soon as possible, right? Because you will save on to additional 25% of the taxes as well as interest liability of section 234B and 234C. So your tax liability would be 60,000, right? And additional tax is 25% of this would come to approximately 15,000 rupees. And interest under section 234B and C would approximately come to 18,000 rupees, right? And your this total would come to approximately 93,000 rupees, right? So this would going to be the most beneficial proposition, right? So you can compare this amount with this amount and this amount with this amount, right? So it is your decision that whether to file for updated return or not, right? So if you'll not file updated return, then notice may come to you. If you'll file updated return, then the notice on the issue of political party donation would not be issued on you. So it was a video relating to comparison of filing of whether to opt for filing of updated return or not, right? Thanks for watching this video. If you have any query relating to Income Tax Act, you can post your query in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. We'll keep coming with a lot of educational, interesting videos like this. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.